Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make Ube Ensaymada Cupcake. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, i-prepare muna natin ang mga wet ingredients. Mag-crack lang kayo ng 2 itlog sa isang mixing bowl. Then, mag-add lang kayo ng 1 cup ng granulated sugar. Pagkatapos, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa mag-well incorporated. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung milk. Pagkatapos, isunod nyo ilagay ang vegetable oil at ang vanilla extract. After that, i-continue lang yung paghalo hanggang sa maging well combined. At ngayon, pwede na natin ihalo ang mga dry ingredients. I-mix nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa maging well incorporated yung mixture. Kapag ready na yung batter natin, mag-add lang kayo ng 2 teaspoon ng Ube Flavoring. Then, give it a final mix hanggang sa ma-achieve nyo yung even purple color ng batter. After that, maglagay lang kayo ng mga paper cups sa muffin tray. Pagkatapos, maglagay na kayo ng batter sa bawat isang paper cup. I-make sure nyo lang na wag masyado itong punuin dahil aalsa pa yung cupcake natin kapag binibake. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. At ngayon, ready na yung mga cupcakes natin. I-set aside nyo muna ito at hayaan yung lumamig. Now, i-prepare naman natin yung buttercream toppings. Sa isang mixing bowl, maglagay lang kayo ng softened butter at sugar. I-whisk nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa maging creamy yung butter. Kapag malamig na yung mga cupcake, mag-spread lang kayo ng buttercream sa ibabaw. And lastly, maglagay lang kayo ng generous amount of cheese on top of each cupcake. And there you go! Our Ube Ensaymada Cupcakes are now ready! We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up! You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.